Do you hide your scars or let them tell your story? These holes remind us we survived.
From the heart of Europe, a golden thread winds along the Danube. It passes over fields and mountains, through cathedrals of stone and stories carved by struggle. Here, beauty and scars share the same streets. Bullet-pocked walls, worn shoes upon the riverbank.
We could have smoothed these stones, patched every mark, erased the hurt. But then, who would remember?
They're bullet holes?
From 1956, men and women stood here when they could have run. These scars tell the world.
Put your finger here. See my hands. Reach out your hand and put it into my side.
You didn't hide them! They are the proof!
Hungary, our scars are our testimony. We don't hide them, we display them as...
Hungary's been wounded, but never defeated.
Our scars aren't shame, they're proof.
Jesus kept his scars. We keep ours as testimony. See our hands, stop doubting, and believe.
These stones carry wounds. So do I. What scars are you hiding? Your wounds tell your survival story. Let the world see them. Let them speak. This is day 76. Tomorrow, Iceland, and still our scars witness. Stop being ashamed of what you survived.
General Carbine open with his story way. Bridge sounds, footsteps on stone, soft strings building. Standing on this bridge where the bullets left their mark, tracing all the holes like stories in the dark. Every scar a memory of battles that we fought. Every wound a testimony of the freedom that we saw. They ask me why we keep them, why we don't just hide the pain. I tell them these are proof marks that we survived the rain. Hungary's been wounded by every passing age, but our scars are not our shame. They're our witness on the stage. We could cover up the damage, pretend it never was, but these scars tell our story of survival, and because these scars witness, these scars witness, that prove that we survived the fight. Oh, these scars witness, these scars witness, like Jesus showed his wounds to prove his might. We don't hide what we've been through, we display it as our testimony true. These scars witness, oh, these scars witness, oh yeah. Jesus rose from dead with scars upon his hands. Didn't hide his wounds, but showed them as he stands. Put your finger here, he said, and see that I'm alive. His scars became the proof that he survived. So we keep our bullet holes, our monuments to pain, not to live in yesterday, but show he rose again. From the Ottomans to Soviets, every wound we 27, he showed them his hands. Resurrection body with the scars to make us understand. Victory doesn't erase the wounds it transforms. What they mean? From shame and a testimony, from hidden to be seen. Every bullet hole in Budapest tells a survival song. Every scar we carry proves we made it all along. We're not defined by what hurt us, but by what we overcame. Our scars are not our burden, they're the witness to his name.
Scars witness,
Scars witness,
we survive,
we survive.
display them,
Display them,
we're alive.
we're alive. I touched these holes in the bridge and I remember 1956 when they tried to break us down. But here we stand in freedom like a coal turned to ember. Our scars don't speak of falling, they speak of rising ground. Yeah, and these scars witness, these scars witness. They prove that we survived the fight. Oh, these scars witness, oh, these scars witness, oh yeah. Like Jesus showed his wounds to prove his might. We don't hide what we've been through, we display it as our testimony true. These scars witness, oh yeah. These scars witness. Every scar
These scars witness,
tells a story
scars witness,
of survival.
scars witness,
We're still standing.
scars witness.
The Danube keeps on flowing through the scars of history. And Hungary keeps standing with its wounds for all to see. Not hiding what we've been through, but displaying victory. Our scars are our witness to his faithfulness to me. These scars witness, these scars witness. We survive.